Welcome to VQ Probe. VQ Probe is a professional visual instrument for objective and subjective video quality comparison. The main window of VQ Probe has three main areas: Project View, Playback View, and Matrix View. Buffer View presents frame sizes of the left and the right files. This is a double bar chart. The left files bars are on top, plotted with frame sizes. Each bar is colored according to the frame type. Go to Project View, Buffer View. Use the top graph for navigation. Double-clicking on the canvas area resets the graphs back to the default settings. Zoom in and out with the mouse wheel on both axes when the cursor is inside the canvas. By double-clicking on the bitrate label, the FPS value can be adjusted in a separate dialog box. If you want to move the legend, press the left mouse button and move the mouse. Click one of the legend items to show or hide the corresponding bar curve. Click the right mouse button to restore the default positions of the legend. Note that frames appear in decoding order. Every tooltip of a bar starts with two numbers, X and Y, where X is the frame number in decoding order and Y is the frame number in displaying order.